So, I'm thinking I need to get this front suspension out of here. It's just kind of sitting on it. I think it's a late 90s Crown Victoria. Kind of got it just real quick, so it's kind of a project that kind of just started, and I was like, man, it's not really what I wanted to do. So that's why we're doing what we're gonna do, because this is what I want to do. It's the WRX, the FWRX, totally cool. So I need to take and get the Crown Vic suspension out from underneath this. Fuel is draining. Heck yeah. So I'm currently searching for all the wiring harness, and I am harvesting it. Unplugging everything, not ruining anything, because I'm going to want to reuse this. So, we got this going along here. And we got all that. Whew, good times. Fingers crossed there's no rats in this one. Taking off, I think this is the airbag brain here, and it's no joke. It's on there. It's got the safety Torx with the little pin in it, you know, like the ones that like the bathroom stall doors have, so you can't steal them. Oh. Not that you want to steal them or anything. It does work if you're just real careful. If you hold the wiring harness up. Yes. Alright. Alright. Yes. Alright, here's what I got. It's starting to get too dark to work. It again, gotta get this wire harness. Get all this wire through the firewall. This thing should somehow plug. In theory, I think.
the fuse box, so this is definitely going to be interesting. Ha 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 ha, it does everything on the plugs. Alright, ready to go. Oh my gosh. Almost forgot the pedals. Ooh, right.
So yeah, we got one of the running boards off already. I gotta do the other side. Then we gotta get the cross members off. So here, I got the front one off already, which is absolutely amazing. It's not very easy. It was a toughie. But I do have it all off now. So my intent is to take the next one off, take the rear end off. Anything that's got a rivet in it now, the rivet just is going to come out. And then we are going to widen this frame, these frame rails, with the parts off of the FWRX. And then we'll start putting it back together. So I'm excited. Alright, keep going at it. Okay, let's start drilling through some of these, see how good. I got really lucky. I was able to get all these ones. The nuts came off without getting stuck, so let's see if I can get them to pop up. Get this running board off. Alright, here we go. We're getting to where I just gotta flip it back over and knock out a couple of the other rivets. On my word, we're getting that. We've got none to separate. Now we're just cleaning up this horrendous dirt mess. Oh, Here we are. We got the front clip, steering, and all that off of the WRX. I got all the rivets first and all the other extra little pieces that needed to come off of this so we could stretch the frame off of the 46 frame. We got that done first this morning. I've been working on that for about a week and a half now. But finally got all that done this morning. Carried on to the WRX, went over there and was able to fairly quickly unbolt the front clip. Alright, so now that we're to this point, I'm gonna start mocking things up and cutting and welding and putting other stuff on, and let's get this project finished up because I've been excited about this one. And it's cold outside, but I don't know why I brought that up, but you know. Alright, last minute garage. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for sticking around. Alright, keep going.
Maybe have a few hours at the end of the day here. The warmest time of the day. About 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3:30. A few hours in, maybe an hour or two before it gets too cold to work. Let's get this rear end down here. I gotta see what else I gotta take out.
Well, we're getting it now. A little bit. My wife would love to see that. Oh, whoa! You made it all the way through the video? Thanks for watching. I think you might now understand my idea, which is to widen the frame of the 1946 Ford pickup to accommodate the all-wheel drive drivetrain of the Subaru WRX. So, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, give me some ideas, give me your thoughts, say something, holla. Alright, well, thanks for watching Last Minute Garage. Go Hawks.